Good morning. I am Tammaya Shetty, Assistant Professor in the Department of Chemistry, Vijaya College, Mulki, Mangalore University. My topic is Domestic Chemicals, Session 18. Contents: Cosmetics, talc powder, nail polish, thinners. Learning objectives: to study the preparation and applications of cosmetics and its products. Session outcome: student will learn applications and preparation of cosmetic and its products. Cosmetics: humans have used various substances to alter their appearance or accentuate their features. Galena to darken their eyelids, bathing in milk to whiten and soften skin. Paste of clays and minerals for cosmetic use in traditional tribes to create body paint for ceremonies and initiations. Cosmetics is a preparation applied to the body, especially the face, skin, and hair to improve its appearance and care. The key ingredients in cosmetics are water, emulsifier, preservatives, thickeners, moistures, color, and fragrance. Ingredients can be naturally occurring or synthetic. Some of the following core ingredients: water, pure water, emulsifiers, example polysorbates, lauric 4 and potassium cetyl sulfate, preservatives, example parabens, benzyl alcohol, salicylic acid, formaldehyde, thickeners, example cetyl alcohol, ceteric acid, and carnauba wax, gelatin, etc. Emollient, example beeswax, olive oil, coconut oil, glycerine, zinc oxide, color, iron oxide, mica, manganese, chromium oxide, coal tar, etc. Glimmers and shine, white mica, mica coated with titanium dioxide, fragrance, lead acetate, and coal tar. Talcum powder. Talcum powder is made from talc, a clay mineral made up of mainly of the elements magnesium, silicon, oxygen, and hydrogen. Uses of talc powder. Talcum powder absorbs moisture well and helps to cut down on friction, making it useful for keeping skin dry and helping to prevent rashes. It has a industrial uses like food processing, ceramics, roofing material, and paints. In its natural form, some talc contains asbestos, a substance known to cause cancer in and around the lungs when inhaled. Nail polish. Nail polish is a type of lacquer that can be applied to the human fingernail or toenails to decorate and protect the nails plates. Nail polish has to be strong, flexible, and resistant chipping and feeling. Hence, contains a number of chemicals. Nail polish is a mix of an organic polymer and several other components that give its unique color. Chemical composition of nail polish. It is made from nitrocellulose dissolved in butyl acetate or ethyl acetate. The nitrocellulose forms a shiny film as the acetate solvent evaporates. It contains ingredients like solvents. Solvents are liquids used to mix other ingredients to yield a uniform product. Example: ethyl acetate, butyl acetate, toluene, xylene, and alcohol. Film formers. Film formers are chemicals that form the surface on a coat of nail polish. Example: nitrocellulose. Plasticizer. Plasticizer form non-brittle films. They keep nail polish flexible and reduce the chance that it will crack or chip. Example: camphor. Dyes and pigments. Pigments add color to nail polish. Example: iron oxide, stannic oxide. Ultraviolet stabilizers. To resist color changes when the dry film is exposed to sunlight. Example: benzophenone 1. Nail polish is removed by using acetone, isopropyl acetone, methyl ethyl ketone, and N-methyl pyrrolidine. Thinners. Thinners are typically colorless fluid mediums that you can mix with foundations. Airbrush thinner is a colorless liquid used to dilute oil-based makeup textures to liquefy them and facilitate their use through a airbrush gun. Airbrush gun. Airbrush thinner is a colorless liquid used to dilute oil-based makeup textures to make them thinner and therefore facilitate their use through a professional application with an air gun. Thank you, one and all.